What's up, boys? I got a 2-package mail day. My eBays, I already popped them open. I didn't look yet though. They're both eBays. Slowly but surely coming in. Like I said, I got a little bit of PayPal, so this one's this one's got some extras. Nice old school Dan Pelletier. It's a whole bunch of 93 what was this, 93 score. Garbage. One for the Braves PC. My first autograph of him. Mr. Dan Ugla. Numbered 43 of 150 from 5-star. But no, I did not pay that. I paid a third of that. So yeah. Thank you very much. A little bit of chipping, but you know how the 5-star stuff goes. Got one more. Oh, farted on camera. Yeah, boy. My boy Big Poppy and Eddie Murray and Ryan Howard, number 50 of 50. And I definitely didn't pay that much. I best offered this. I think I got it for like $8, something like that. But it's for my Red Sox and then Hall of Fame. So I wanted one of these. I love these things. These triples from Trilogy. So that's it. Sorry about the gas. And yeah, be watching some videos. Peace.